2 potatoes. Cut a circle, boil for 30 minutes until they turn soft. Go through iced water. Then, my favorite way to mash a potato is using a garlic press. Mix mashed potatoes, glutinous rice flour, cornstarch or potato starch, salt and pepper. Knead the dough until smooth. Roll and cut into the shape you like. You can use a fork to press some pattern. Deep fry over medium heat for 5 minutes until they turn light golden. Then deep fry over high heat for 30 more seconds until they turn golden brown. Chili powder,
Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookie sandwiches. You only need 3 ingredients for the shortbread: butter, sugar and flour. Then fold in the chocolate chips. Roll a tablespoon of dough into a ball and flatten it into a disc. Bake in the oven until light brown, then let them cool. Pipe on a blob of Nutella, then press another cookie on top. Pop them in the fridge if the Nutella is very soft, and that's it. Enjoy!